Owens and Minor is a 142-year-old healthcare distribution company, and we now have a products division as well of our own proprietary products. We run a network of manufacturing, surgical kitting operations, but also about a little over 40 warehouse and distribution centers. It's a global supply chain, and that's pretty challenging to manage. And the trickiest part is really the last mile. Cobot's clearly pushed our thinking. We're looking to leapfrog the current state, so we'll be contemporary still, within a few years, and making these investments in a way that they're modularized and we can have proof of concept in one facility and then move that out to other facilities while we're still getting benefit for both our organization as well as our customer and ultimately the patients. My charge has been transformation, really taking the company to the next level. We were looking for a partner that would really help us understand what the future looked like, but also help us be able to bridge where we were today to get to that future point, specifically in technology and automation. That's where the Cobot team's been very, very helpful in really accelerating the thought process. We brought Brad in and also John Battles with a really deep team, and they started to look at our operations. What the Flywheel program really is, it's about getting Cobot into your facility to help ideate what's your current state and what are capabilities that are available in the not too distant future. Their group came back with better insights than we had gotten from any external viewpoint. One of the foundational pieces of what we've done with the Flywheel program is recognize that we need to do things in the best way we possibly can before we start the technology investment. The best practice is the foundation and the core, and you really can't skip that step. A big area of focus that's developed along this journey is helping our teammates think about what's the art of the possible. We initially had intended Cobot to come in and just give us a look and tell us what they thought our future could look like. But it's turned into that relationship being a catalyst for how we execute our plan. We're seeing the value there from our ability to start to articulate to our customers the new capabilities that we're investing in and what's that going to mean for them and their operation as well as their patients, and how that can really transform the state of the healthcare industry.